Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday. And we're now at the end of the trading week, the 11th of January. It's hard to believe, it's 11th of January, 2019 at 9:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. We did have our live webinar yesterday. It is posted on our website. So if you go to the website, look for the webinar. I think you'll like what you see there. Certainly did a lot of teaching, and I appreciate y'all coming in. A down day in the stock market as the government shutdown continues. No sign yet that that's going to break apart. There's a big vote taking place next week in Brexit, and the smart money is thinking Miss May is going to lose that election and that there'll be an extension period and then another vote on a referendum. That seems to be where the bookie money is going on it right now. Gold trying to hold in here. Silver market tried the downside, actually tried the upside. Fell back down, and now it's trying to stabilize as metals are just going pretty much stable. One of the good pieces of news is that senior leaders from China have just said that they're coming to the U.S. at the end of the month for another round of trade negotiations. And on this round, we will have Treasury Secretary Mnuchin in, Mr. Lighthizer is going to be there. So you're getting the bigger boys and obviously the bigger Chinese people. Does that mean we're getting closer? You have to take it to mean that. The question is, you put them all in one room, does it fall apart on you at the end? Economists surveyed in the past week of a Wall Street Journal monthly poll said that there's a 25% chance of recession in the next year, and that's the highest level it's been since October 2011. That probability was just 13% a year ago. China's CPI came in at its slowest pace in 6 months, up 1.9% from a year earlier by their index, while prices charged by producers increased by the lowest rate in 2 years at 0.9%. Their ag ministry said today something I've been telling you, that there's been a significant drop in the country's soybean meal demand, due in part to African swine fever. And that's why even U.S. hopes for more exports of pork to China, it's not going to be that good. Relate it back to when we had mad cow, the BSE disease in America. You stayed away for a long time from that, and that's what's going on. Swedish CPI estimates coming out this Monday. They're looking for a 0.3% increase month over month, 0.2%, actually 2% increase year over year. So that gives you an idea where they're at. And as I said, the Chinese trade talks, well, they're on track. Remember, you only have until March before the president makes a decision. Is he going to do something of significance in raising tariffs, or has enough headway been made for him to be comfortable with where he's at and things stay until they work out a deal? I want to remind everybody about our futures trading kit. This is the beginning of the year. Familiarize yourself with some of these ideas. The CME Group's educational brochures, top rate. We put them, our own brochures, charting software, a full package of information together in one link for you, and it's really an awful lot. You like chart patterns, they're there. You want some videos on how to work with pivot points or rune indicators, it's all here. Just give us a call. You can also go to our website, www.iraepstein.com, sign up for it there, or click right here. If you're watching me on YouTube, it'll take you over there. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I'll see you all this afternoon with our end of the week wrap up in the futures markets.